Assalamualaikum dan selamat sejahtera. So now we proceed for 7.2 compound angle. Okay, so this is our learning objective. End of this lesson, you are able to express the formula for sine A plus minus B, cos A plus minus B, and tangent A plus minus B. So then express the double angle formula, express the half angle formula, and last one express the factor formula. So there are 4 factors formula here. Okay, so A express the formula for sine A plus minus B, cos A minus plus B, and tangent A plus minus B. Okay, so this is formula for compound angle sine A plus minus B equal to sine A cos B plus minus cos A sine B. And then cos A plus minus B equal to cos A cos B minus plus sine A sine B. Okay, so untuk cos compound angle for cos, you kena alert because dia punya sign tu ada terbalik sikit. Okay, so tangent A plus minus B equal to tangent A plus minus tangent B over 1 minus plus tangent A tangent B. Okay, so now remark here means that this is not equal. So sin A plus B is not equal sin A plus sin B. So this is not about factor that you have to multiply or you expand by multiply dia punya A dengan B. So dia bukan sin A tambah sin B. So sama juga untuk cos A plus B, that is not equal cos A plus cos B. Okay, so kita boleh kalau kita boleh ganti nilai. So let's say katalah A is equal to 30. So kita ambil B also equal to 30 degree. Okay, so from left hand side, okay, so kita ada sin A plus B, sin 30 plus 30. So this one you dapat sin 60. Okay, so from the previous lecture, so 60 is special angle. So ini 60. So this one is 30. So this one is 1. This one is 2. This one is set 3. Okay, so sin 60 is opposite over hypotenuse. So set 3 over 2. Okay, so then kita tengok untuk right hand side is sin A plus sin B, means that sin 30 plus sin 30. Okay, so from this diagram or from this triangle, sin 30 is opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite is 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2. So this one is equal to 1. So from here obviously kita boleh nampak set 3 over 2 is not equal to 1. So that's why this this formula is not right. So means that you tak boleh guna simply darab masuk jadi dia macam factor macam tu. So kalau you nak tahu benda tu adalah betul ataupun konsep tu betul ataupun tak, so you boleh ganti nilai. So kalau nilai dia tak sama means that is incorrect. Okay, so then kita tengok untuk example 5. Without using calculators, find the value for sin 45 plus 30 in terms of set. Okay, so this one first we have to expand. Okay, so expand by using compound angle formula. So guna formula sin A plus B. So kita expand, kita akan dapat sin 45 cos 30 plus cos 45 sin 30. Okay, so 45 and 30 is a special angle. So kita boleh guna triangle kita. So ini adalah untuk 60, 30. So ini 1, 2, to set 3. So dengan satu lagi triangle yang degree 45. So 1, so sini 1, so sini set 2. Okay, so then you boleh gantilah dia punya nilai sin 45 is 1 over set 2. So ini kita dah rationalize by using multiply by its conjugate. So then cos 30 is cos set 3 over 2 plus cos 45 also ini dah rationalize by using dia punya its conjugate. So then sin 30 is 1 over 2. Okay, so then kita calculate, so kita dapat set 6 plus set 2 over 4. So this one must be in terms of set because the question asks you to give your answer in terms of set. Okay, so now for number 2, find the values of sin A plus B, cos A plus B and tangent A plus B. So if given cos A is negative 12 over 13 and tangent B is 7 over 24. A is in second quadrant and B is in the third quadrant. Okay, so kita draw kita punya diagram dulu based on dia punya angle A and B, second and third quadrant. Okay, so that is for angle A in second quadrant. Okay, so given that cos A is negative 12 over 13. So cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. Okay, so means that sini negative 12, hypotenuse is 13. So opposite of angle A is 5 by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so untuk angle negative 12 ni you kena refer kepada x-axis lah. Kalau untuk x-axis, this side is negative value. So nilai ni pun akan jadi nilai negatif lah. Okay, so then kita ada B is in the third quadrant. Okay, so tangent is 7 over 24. Opposite is 7. Okay, so ini pun sama juga because of this is negative y-axis. So ini jadi negative 7. So over opposite over adjacent. So ini pun sama juga sebab ini negative x-axis. So negative 24. So bila kita ambil balik negative 7 over negative 24, that's why sini dapat positive value. So dia punya hypotenuse dia by using Pythagoras theorem kita akan dapat 25. Right, so kita dah ada value for our diagram. Okay, so now by using compound angle formula, so kita boleh expand sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Okay, so sin A is sin A 5 over 30. Cos B is negative 24 over 25. Plus cos A is adjacent over hypotenuse is negative 12 over 13. Sin B is opposite over hypotenuse. So negative 7 over 25. So calculate the value, you will get negative 36 over 325. So that is for sin A plus B. Okay, so now kita cari untuk cos A plus B. Okay, so cos A plus B. Okay, so cos A cos B. Okay, so untuk compound angle for cos, so dia terbalik sikit dia punya sin. Kalau sini tambah, so sini bila you expand using compound angle formula, jadi tolak. So sin A, sin B. Okay, so then substitute the value. Cos A is negative 12 over 13. Cos B is negative 24 over 25 minus sin A is 5 over 13 and sin B is negative 7 over 25. So calculate the value, you will get 323 over 325. Alright, so the last one is for tangent. Tangent A plus B is equal to tangent A plus tangent B over 1 minus tangent A tangent B. Okay, so then substitute the value. So tangent A kita akan dapat, okay, so negative 5 over 12 plus tangent B is 7 over 24 all divided by 1 minus tangent A is negative 5 over 12 multiply tangent B is 7 over 24. Okay, so calculate the value. So you will get negative 36 over 323. Okay, so now this is the exercise for you to try. Okay, so I give you the answer for this one. Okay, so this one you akan dapat negative set 6 plus set 2 over 4. So this one you akan dapat negative 2 plus set 3. So this one you akan dapat 16 over 65 and this one you akan dapat negative 16 over 63. Okay, so now we goes to double angle formula. Okay, so sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a cos 2a. So you have three identities or three formulas for cos 2a. Cos square a minus sin square a. So second one is 2 cos square a minus 1. The third one is 1 minus 2 sin square a. So you can use either one lah, mana-mana yang awak rasa awak nak guna untuk cos 2a. So then tangent 2a equal to 2 tangent a over 1 minus tangent square a. So double angle formula ni kita boleh dapat ataupun kita boleh derive daripada compound angle formula juga sebenarnya. So dekat sini saya tak akan tunjuklah macam mana awak akan dapat dia punya double angle formula tu. Okay, so now we goes to example 6. Find the exact value of 2 tangent 15 over 1 minus tangent square 15. Okay, so this one kita dah nampak dah dia punya formula adalah sama dengan untuk tangent 2a. So from here kita boleh dapat dah a equal to 15. Because 2 tangent ni iaitu tangent A. Okay, so means that dekat situ kita dah dapat dah tangent. Kita dah dapat the value A is equal to 15. So, sini kita ada 2 tangent 15 over 1 minus tangent square 15. So, this one is equal to tangent 2A is 15. So, which is equal to tangent 30. Okay, so 30 is a special angle. So, kita guna kita punya diagram kita. So, this is 30. So, 1, 2, set 3. Okay, so from here, tangent is opposite over adjacent. So, which is 1 over set 3. Okay, so now this is involved with set for denominator. So, kita rationalize by multiply its conjugate. Set 3 over set 3. So, this one kita akan dapat set 3 over 3. Okay, so this one, example 6, number 2, if sin theta equal to 4 over 5, given the value for theta is 90 to 180, find the value of sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta, and tangent 2 theta. Okay, so this is already mentioned, theta is in the second quadrant. Okay, so kita akan draw kita punya diagram dulu untuk dapat dia punya value for the side dia. Okay, so this is theta. Okay, so sine is opposite is 4, hypotenuse is 5, so adjacent is negative 3. Because this is negative x-axis. Okay, so sin 2 theta by using dia punya formula is 2 sin theta cos theta. So 2 sin theta is 4 over 5 and cos theta is negative 3 over 5. Okay, so calculate, you will get the value is negative 24 over 25. So then B, you want to find cos 2 theta. Okay, so cos 2 theta ni boleh guna mana-mana salah satu daripada 3 formula tu lah. So let's say katalah saya guna 1 minus 2 sin square A, 2 sin square theta. So 1 minus 2 sin theta is 4 over 5 square. So ini kita akan dapat 1 minus 32 over 25. Or calculate, you will get negative 7 over 25. Okay, so then C, tangent 2 theta is 2 tangent theta over 1 minus tangent square theta. So 2 tangent theta is opposite over adjacent. So negative 4 over 3. So all divided by 1 minus negative 4 over 3 square. So calculate, you will get negative 8 over 3 divided by 1 minus 16 over 9. So simplify, you will get 24 over 7. So the value for tangent 2 theta. Okay, so this is exercise 6 for you to try. So I give you the answer. This one is 24/7. So this one is negative 336/527. Okay, so selain daripada double angle, so kalau awak ada 3 theta, 4 theta macam ni, tangent 4 theta, so this one you kena derive formula awak sendiri. So dia tak ada specific identities ataupun formula. So it depend macam mana awak guna ataupun awak apply properties of trigo. So awak akan dapat formula yang lain-lain lah. Tapi ni kalau nak cari nilai dia, dia akan dapat nilai yang sama lah. Okay, so number 2, this one you akan dapat sec 2/2. So this one you akan dapat negative sec 3/2. So you can try it later. Okay, so then half angle formula. Okay, so we have sin A equal to 2 sin A/2 cos A/2. So A/2 ni adalah half angle lah. Cos A equal to cos square A/2 minus sin square A/2. The second one is 2 cos square A/2 minus 1. The third one is 1 minus 2 sin square A/2. So then tangent A equal to 2 tangent A/2 over 1 minus tangent square A/2. So formula half angle ni dia lebih kurang sama macam formula double angle. Cuma dia punya angle tu adalah half lah. So kalau nak ingat, so macam tu lah dia punya formula. Okay, so example 7, given that sin A is negative 8/17 and cos B equal to 3/5, where A and B are in the same quadrant. Okay, so then find without using calculators. Okay, so first kita kena tengok dulu kita punya A dengan B tu kuadran apa, sebab dia adalah same quadrant. Okay, so kita tengok ini sin A is negative value. So kalau sin is negative, dia adalah kuadran 3 and 4. Third and fourth quadrant. So kat sini cos B is positive value. So kalau positive for cos is quadrant 1 and quadrant 4. Okay, so from here kita dah nampak dah sin dengan cos ni dia yang ada sama adalah dekat fourth quadrant. Okay, so means that A is in the fourth quadrant and B also in the fourth quadrant. Okay, so kita kena draw kita punya diagram dulu untuk angle A and B, fourth quadrant. So this is A. So A is negative 8/17. Opposite is negative 8. Hypotenuse is 17. So then this side is 15. Okay, so untuk angle B, (3/5). Cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent is 3, hypotenuse is 5, and opposite is negative 4. Okay, so by using all this value, so then we have to expand sin A plus B using compound angle formula. So sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Substitute the value for sin A is opposite is negative 8, hypotenuse is 17, cos B is adjacent is 3/5, plus cos A is adjacent over hypotenuse 15/17. So sin B is opposite over hypotenuse negative 4/5. So calculate the values, you will get negative 24 over 85, 17, 85 minus 60 over 85. So this one you will get negative 84 over 85. Right, so B is cos A over 2. Okay, so diagram yang sama juga. So ini A, negative 8, sini 15, this one is 17. Okay, so sebab kita nak guna angle yang ada A, so maksudnya B tu tak payahlah. Okay, so cos A over 2, okay, kita boleh tengok daripada identities cos A. So dekat sini, okay, so cos A over 2 ni boleh tengok dekat mana-mana identity yang ada cos A over 2. So situ pun ada, sini pun ada, so sini pun ada. So ada 3 tempat yang awak ada cos A over 2. Okay, so kalau kita guna the first formula, sin A equal to 2 sin A over 2 cos A over 2, tapi kita tak ada nilai sin A over 2. Okay, so nanti kita kena cari pula nilai sin A over 2. So macam agak susah lah. So kita reject the first formula. Okay, so second formula pun sama juga. Dia ada cos square A over 2 minus sin square A over 2. So sama juga macam case tadi. So sekarang kita tak mau cari lagi sin A over 2. Okay, so yang directly kita boleh dapat cos A over 2 is from here. So sini dah memang dalam form cos. Okay, so kita ambil daripada cos A. Cos A equal to 2 cos square A over 2 minus 1. Okay, so from the diagram kita ada value for cos A over 2. So cos A over 2 is adjacent over hypotenuse. So kita ada 15 over 17 equal to 2 cos square A over 2 minus 1. So minus 1 pindah sana jadi 15 over 17 plus 1 equal to 2 cos square A over 2. So this one you akan dapat 32 over 17. So 2 ni bawa sini jadi 1 over 2 equal to cos square A over 2. So yang akan dapat 16 over 17 cos square A over 2. Okay, so by taking square root, so kita akan ada plus minus 4 over 17 equal to cos A over 2. Okay, so kita nak pilih yang mana, positive or negative value untuk cos A over 2. So kita tak boleh pilih dua-dua. So kita kena decide which one yang kita nak ambil. Okay, so to decide, so kita kena refer balik daripada dia punya angle asal dia. Okay, so daripada asal since A is angle between 270 to 360. Sebab A is in the fourth quadrant, so means that dia punya interval is 270 to 360. So ini A. Okay, kita nak cari A over 2. Okay, so A over 2 kita kena create baru dia punya interval. So kalau A kita bahagi 2, left and right side pun kita akan bahagi 2. So ini 135 until 180. Okay, so daripada situ kita ada interval for A over 2 is 135 to 180. So 135 to 810 means that you punya A over 2 is in second quadrant. Okay, so kalau second quadrant, so means that your punya cos is negative. So cos A over 2 kita akan dapat negative 4 over 70. So itu cara kita dapat untuk A over 2. So kita kena refer daripada awal, angle A itu adalah in the fourth quadrant. So kalau jadi A over 2, kita kena bahagi balik dia punya interval. So kita dapat dia punya quadrant untuk half angle. So from here kita akan dapat cos A over 2 is negative 4 over 70. Okay, so next is sin A over 2. Okay, so sin A over 2 kita boleh pilih daripada mana-mana identity ataupun formula yang ada. Sin A over 2, the first one boleh, second one boleh, and the third one here boleh. Okay, sebab tadi kita dah ada nilai untuk cos A over 2, so boleh mana-mana lah. So kita katalah kita ambil daripada sin A over 2. Sin A, sorry. 2 sin A over 2 cos A over 2. So daripada tadi kita dah ada diagram. So ini 15, this one is 17, this one is negative 8. This is A. So sin A is opposite over hypotenuse. So it's negative 8 over 70 equal to 2 sin A over 2 cos A over 2. Tadi kita dapat negative 4 over 17. Okay, so then simplify or rearrange, kita akan dapat negative 8 over 17 times 17 over negative 4 times 1 over 2 equal to sin A over 2. Okay, so from here kita akan dapat sin A over 2 equal to 17 over 70. So that is for value for half angle. Okay, so this is exercise 7 for you to try. So I give you the answer is 30 over 10. So tangent A over 2 is negative 3 over 7. Okay, so next we go to factor formula. So there are 4 factors formula here. So first one is sin P plus sin Q equal to 2 sin P plus Q over 2 cos P minus Q over 2. And second one is sin P minus sin Q equal to 2 cos P plus Q over 2 sin P minus Q over 2. So the third one is cos P plus cos Q equal to 2 cos P plus Q over 2 cos P minus Q over 2. And the last one is cos P minus cos Q equal to negative 2 sin P plus Q over 2 sin P minus Q over 2. Okay, so now for example A, express each of the following as the product of two trigonometric functions. Okay, so we have sin 6 theta plus sin 4 theta. Okay, so then kita kena tengok Yang mana daripada factor formula sin plus sin. Okay, so sin plus sin is here. Okay, so sin plus sin is the first one. Okay, so daripada situ kita ada P is 6 theta. So this is P equal to 6 theta. And this is Q is 4 theta. Okay, so then by using that formula, so P plus Q, you have 6 theta plus 4 theta over 2. So you get 5 theta. And then P minus Q, 6 theta minus 4 theta over 2. So you get cos theta. So you have 2 sin 5 theta cos theta. Okay, then next is cos 8 theta plus cos 4 theta. So tengok daripada factor formula mana yang cos tambah cos. Cos tambah cos is third formula. Okay, so ini terhalang sikit ni, so bahagi 2. So sama macam tadi. So now you ada P is 8 theta and Q is 4 theta. So by using that formula, so you have to cos 8 theta plus 4 theta over 2, you get cos 6 theta. 8 theta minus 4 theta over 2, you get 2 theta. So you have to cos 6 theta cos 2 theta. Okay, so untuk cos plus cos. Okay, so next, express each of the following as the sum or difference of two trigonometric function. Okay, so sin 6a sin 2a. Okay, so ini kita kena reverse balik daripada, so sini left hand side. So sini right hand side. Okay, so kita ada sin darab sin. Okay, so sin darab sin. Tengok balik daripada right hand side, mana formula yang sin darab sin. Okay, so this one. The last formula, sin darab sin. Okay, so kita nak ambil sin darab sin. So means that ini yang kita nak ambil. So negative 2 ni kena bawa left side. So that's why you ada negative 1 over 2. Okay, so then formula dia you akan ada cos minus cos. So cos minus cos. So dia punya angle dekat sini kita akan ambil 6a tambah 2a. So you dapat cos 8a. So then satu lagi tolak 6a minus 2a. So dapat cos 4a. So satu tambah satu tolak. So directly you boleh terus form trigonometric in the terms of sum or difference of two trigonometric functions. Okay, so yang second B sin 3a cos a. Okay, so ini kita tengok daripada right side sin darab cos. Mana daripada right side formula sin darab cos. Okay, so kalau kita refer sin darab cos is from first formula. Sin darab cos. Okay, sama macam tadi juga kita nak yang ada sin darab cos. So ini saja part yang kita nak. So 2 ni kena pindah left side. So that's why you ada 1 over 2. So then you punya answer mesti dalam form sin tambah sin. Okay, so ini sin plus sin. Okay, so angle dia satu kena tambah, satu kena tolak. So means that tambah 3a plus a, you dapat 4a. 3a minus a, you dapat 2a. So you dapat formula 1 over 2 sin 4a plus sin 2a. So that is for sum or difference of two trigonometric functions. Okay, so this is exercise for you to try. So I give you the answer. You can try it later. So negative 2 sin 6 theta sine theta. B is 2 cos 5 theta sine 3 theta. Then number 2 here, you akan dapat 1/2 sin 6 minus sin 2a. Sin 6a minus sin 2a. So, B you akan dapat 2 cos A tambah cos 2A. So this one you akan dapat value 1/4. This one you akan dapat value 1/2. Okay, so I think that's all for today. Thank you. So kod kuliah for today is MBB KP. Alright. So thank you. Bye.